In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bow tie sandwich appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sliced baguette, cream cheese, salami, black olives, hard-boiled eggs, dill, pickles, and toothpicks. We're going to slice each of the pickles thinly diagonally. Now we're going to slice our hard-boiled eggs the long way. On each slice of baguette, we're going to add a thin layer of cream cheese. Then we're going to add a pickle slice onto each one. Now add a fresh piece of dill onto the pickle. Add a slice of the hard-boiled egg on top. Now we're going to create a triangular slit in the olives. Now we're going to pinch together the middle of a salami slice. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the olive and the slit we cut in it to hold this together. We're going to use a toothpick to secure this to our sandwich. Our bow tie sandwich recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.